66 and we keep on driving. We just
Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2 here in Nashville. I've had a great day. We got up and jumped on our Harley and went up the mountain and through the Blue Ridge and past the French Broad River, and it was just mesmerizing. As we went up the mountain, it got cooler and cooler. We had to stop and I had to put on my leather vest to keep warm, but then when we got to the bottom of the mountain, everything had to come off because it was in the mid-80s. But what a glorious day at the top of the mountain. It was still spring and the wild dogwoods were blooming and the wild laurel and rhododendrons, but these mountains just warm my heart and my soul. They make me sing, they make me dance, they make me happy. And then I figured I'd end my day down here doing what I love to do, and that's some painting. We're working today on a 16 by 20 gallery wrap canvas. I'm sorry, my mouth is not working properly from all the chit-chatting I did with my man while we were on the motorcycle. Reuse canvas, not a bad pour, but I don't know. I stared at it and stared at it. There's no goobers on it, and if it's just not rocking my world, I am going to paint over it. So I'm going to do a couple of ring pours on this canvas. I have a favorite palette that I've been thinking about in my head and I want to use. Our base coat is Artist Sloth Soft Body in the black. It is mixed with a healthy squeeze of Golden Gak 800 and my mix pour. All of my paints are mixed with a healthy squeeze of Gak 800 and a mix pour. You can get mix pour by emailing darling Krista at krista8974@gmail.com. The link will be in the description box. I've got some yummy colors here. Now, I've had to mix up 2 cups of each color because my larger cups are on order with Amazon and they have not gotten here yet. So I've got 2 coppers, 2 burnt siennas, 2 golds, and so on and so forth. Let's talk about those colors. I'm excited. These are absolutely yummy, and I'm going to pour them into my cup in the order of which I'm presenting them to you today. Right here, I got to show you a close-up of this. This is phenomenal. This is absolutely beautiful. That is this little piggy. I used it the other day and it made me sing. This is their cinnamon. Oh, yummy goodness. Fluidartco.com, guys, for your piggies, and there's some exciting things coming out with the piggies here in the next couple of weeks. This right here is Golden Fluids, and that is their burnt sienna. Another yummy color. Everybody's favorite Deco Art Extreme Sheen in the 24 karat gold. Right here is Artist Sloth Soft Body in the black. That is also our base coat color today. And right here is Deco Art Satin Enamels, and that is their neutral beige. I love the way this satin enamel and the neutral beige play with the black. It usually sells up really nicely. What else did I have to tell you about? Oh, I wanted to show you. Let me grab a plate. When you're used to playing with thin paints, which is what I am used to, I use mostly fluid paints, and my pouring medium is fluid, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Golden Gak 800. When you're used to playing with fluid paints, it's a bit of a challenge to play with thicker ones. So this girl is practicing. I've had some good instructions from darling Sarah Mac and lovely Mina Villegas. But I just want to show you, this is my usual consistency for my swipes. And I wanted to show you how dramatic this difference is. Let me put a little dab there for you on that paper plate, and then let's take this lovely cinnamon by this little piggy, put that right next to it, try to get the same amount. But this was kind of daunting and scary for me. I'll never forget the first time I watched Sarah Mack mix her paints up. I was like, oh my God, tell me you're going to add water to that. It just freaked me out. But look at that. I'm used to thinner paints, and it's been an adjustment for me to work with thicker paints, but that's okay. This girl likes a challenge. So let's go ahead and put some tunes on, guys. Let's layer our cup. Now I'm going to do 1 cup at a time. I'm not layering them all at the same time, because I find that if you layer them all at the same time, I'm going to do probably 4 ring pours, that by the time you get to the last cup, the colors have kind of meshed together a little bit. So 1 at a time. We'll do the first one in regular time, and we'll fast forward through the rest, because I plan on layering them all in the same order. Glad you're here, guys. I'm glad I'm here. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me. Baby, you and me. There's no one else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. Yeah, we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me. You and me. Baby, you and me. You always leave me wanting more, baby, you and me, we're like the perfect storm, and you know that I can't get enough of you, no. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me. You and me. I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy, it's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven, I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. It's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.